Good morning to all. Hello my dear student of class 3. How are you all? I hope you all are well by the grace of Allah. I am also well. My dear student, today I am here at present to take a class especially for the student of class 3. So my dear student of class 3 and all viewers who are joining me now, all are welcome to Bangladesh Prathamik Shikhok at the rate of ICT. My dear student, today I would like to discuss with all of you a new lesson, Unit 31, Lesson 4 to 5. Okay. So my dear student of class 3, all are take your EFT book, exercise book and sit down in front of my class. At very first, I would like to show you a picture to all. Okay, my dear student. My dear student, here is a picture, okay? What do you see in the picture? What do you see in this picture? In this picture, here, we all think that it's a classroom, and in this class has a teacher and 3 students. The first picture and second picture, madam discuss with her student something, okay? Say something with her student, and at last picture, maybe a student close the window. Okay, my dear student. So all are open your book, your EFT book, page number 63. Page number 63. Okay, my dear student. Now, at first I read out the text and all are listen to me carefully and match every sentence with your EFT book. Okay. Mrs. Mori is a teacher. Kamal, Mariam and Fahmi are her students. Kamal, can you close the window please? Yes, Mrs. Mori. My dear student, first picture and topic is Mrs. Mori is a teacher. Janab Mori hocchen ekjon shikhok. Kamal, Mariam and Fahmi are her students. Okay, so my dear student, we see in this picture they use some punctuation and capital letters. So today our lesson is punctuation and capital letters. Punctuation and capital letters. Okay. Punctuation and capital letters. The previous classes we discussed some punctuation and capital letters, and today we try to learn another punctuation mark and capital letters. Okay. So my dear student, in this text, first letter M are used capital letter. First letter M used capital letters. Mrs. M R S. M R S. So first letter is M. M is capital letter. M is capital letters. Okay. H. Moury. M-O-U-R-Y. M-O-U-R-Y. So it's a people's name, teacher's name. In this name, first letter M, M is capital letter. And as like Kamal, Mariam and Fahmi, every name's first letter is capital letter. It's punctuation mark and capital letters. So capital letters. Every name's first letter is capital letters. And first dialogue, Madam given direction her students. Kamal, can you close the window, please? Kamal say yes, Mrs. Moury. অর্থাৎ ম্যাডাম কমলকে বলছে যে জানালাটা কি তুমি বন্ধ করতে পারো? তখন কমল রিপ্লাইড আনসার, সে উত্তর দিল, উত্তরে বলল যে ইয়েস, হ্যাঁ মিসেস মৌরি, হ্যাঁ আমি পারব। তাহলে my dear student, all are now say me in this text. In this text, what punctuation marker use? What punctuation marker in the middle of the sentences? Underline them. Okay. First topics. If we did write on the board, আমি যদি প্রথম যে আলোচনাটা ছিল এটা যদি আমি বোর্ডের মধ্যে লিখি তাহলে কি দাঁড়ায় তোমরা সবাই দেখো। Mrs. Moury is a teacher. Kamal, Mariam, and Fahmi are her students. Okay, my dear student, Kamal, Mariam and Fahmi are her students. Okay. In this sentence, we use some punctuation mark and capital letter. So now we mark. Now we all are marked in this whole text where we use comma. We use comma in the middle of this sentence. Okay. So my dear student, if we use same or gradually name after another, so we use comma. Okay. আমরা যদি কয়েকটি নাম পরপর ব্যবহার করি তাহলে আমরা ব্যবহার করতে হবে কমা। ঠিক আছে? কি ব্যবহার করব? কমা। তাহলে আমরা কোথায় কমা ব্যবহার করলাম? বাক্যের এইখানে। আরেকটা বাক্য যদি আমরা দেখি যে Kamal can you close the window? The window, sorry, আমরা এটা এখানে লিখি the window please. Kamal, can you close the window please? তাহলে এখানে আমরা প্রথম নেমের শেষে কমা ব্যবহার করলাম এবং এখানে একটি কমা ব্যবহার করলাম। তদ্রূপ আরেকটি বাক্য আছে yes Mrs. Mori, আমরা ওইটাও যদি লিখি yes Mrs. Mori তাহলে দেখলাম যে yes এর পরে আমরা we use after yes comma. Okay, so my dear student, today we learn where we use comma, where we use comma. Okay, now I would like to showing a sentence on a paper, and all are look at the sentence carefully. Okay, dear student, here is a sentence on footprint bolt. First I read the sentence. We have school on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, we have school on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So my dear student, in this sentence had 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 days from our a week. একটি সপ্তাহ থেকে এখানে 5টি দিন নেওয়া হয়েছে। ওকে, so now we write the sentence on the board correctly. এখানে punctuation mark ব্যবহার করা হয়নি। in this sentence we cannot use punctuation mark and capital letter. Now we write the sentence on the board. First I write on the board and all I write down in your exercise khata. Okay, here first word is we and W is small letter, but we know that every sentence beginning start capital letter. Okay, so W are capital letter. Now W is capital letter. We have school on Sunday. S is small, but we know every day's first letter is capital. বাক্যটা যদি আমরা নিচে লিখি স্পষ্ট হবে on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Thursday and we use full stop. Okay, my dear student, the sentence we cannot use properly punctuation mark and capital letter. Now we write on the board correctly. We use punctuation and capital letters. Okay, and we know that first letter every sentence we use capital letter. So W is capital letter. We have school on Sunday. We know that every days we use first letter capital letter. So Sunday S capital, Monday M capital, Tuesday T capital, and Thursday T capital. And finished after finish the sentence we use punctuation mark full stop. Okay. So my dear student, I would like to give all of you a homework. All are write 5 sentences with use capital letter and punctuation mark. So my dear student, thank you all. All are try to stay at home carefully and try to follow health rules. Okay, thank you all.